Parmanand Hospital is a well-known hospital in Delhi and Northern India for treatment of orthopedic problems. We have a very good history of performing joint replacement surgeries, and every year we perform thousands of knee replacement surgery. So we have a very well-trained team, a physiotherapy team, pain control team and the anesthetist team for management of patients with knee arthritis and who are undergoing knee replacement. We also have the latest technologies for management of knee arthritis, which also includes the robotic knee replacement. We have got the Cuvis Robotic System, which is the world's most advanced robotic system for knee replacement, and this is Delhi's first and only robotic system at Parmanand Hospital for doing knee replacement. And now we are coming up with Delhi's only and first 100-bedded orthopedic hospital with all newer technologies, and with this we think we can take care of our orthopedic patient in a much better way. Thank you.